People are making these expensive mistakes when starting Amazon FBA. Hi, I'm Xenia. Welcome to my channel, and I've hit over 25,000 sales in Amazon FBA under 4 months. So today I wanted to share with you the common mistakes to avoid in Amazon FBA so you don't have to lose money. The first mistake is not choosing a good product. Amazon FBA is pretty straightforward but heavily relied on numbers. So it's really important that you spend a good amount of time researching the product and actually seeing if this product is viable. I know it can be easy to lean towards products that you are personally interested in or think they're going to succeed because you saw them going viral on TikTok or Reels. Although the information can be useful for generating ideas, it's not actually backed up by proper market research. So I highly recommend you to stick with the results that you get from your product research tool. If you haven't already, you should also watch my last video on 5 signs of a profitable Amazon FBA product, where I shared the specific ways to look for a winning product. It's important to know that you are going to pay upfront for the inventory, the shipping of the product before it actually hits the Amazon market. So it's extremely crucial that you pick a good product because it really makes or breaks your Amazon FBA business. The next expensive Amazon FBA mistake is thinking that you need an LLC or corporation to start. Many people will either never start because of this or spend money incorporating before it's necessary. The truth is that you don't need LLC or corporation to start Amazon FBA. You can start selling right away as an individual. As you can see, when you sign up for your Amazon Seller Central account, you can simply put your business type as individual and input your personal information to continue. However, something you do need to check before is first, if you are a resident in one of the 186 countries that are allowed to sell on Amazon US. Second, you need to prepare a government issued ID or passport, recent bank account or credit card statement, chargeable credit card, and mobile phone information. It's important to know that you must provide accurate and recent personal information such as your bank statement or your address, because most of the time Amazon will very strictly verify this information and you will risk your account getting denied if you don't follow these steps. If you'd like a more in-depth video on how to create your Amazon Seller Central account, please hit the like button on this video and comment account to let me know. The next mistake of starting Amazon FBA is not budgeting ahead of time. Starting a new business can be exciting. Many people might jump on it very quickly. Although this type of drive and execution is very great, it's crucial to get an idea on the startup costs of Amazon FBA so that you won't be halfway through launching your product and realize that I don't have any fund left to support it. At this point, hopefully you already know Amazon FBA is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It is a passive income stream you're building for the long run. So it really requires initial investment, patience, and effort. Therefore, you need to know that before a customer buys your product, you will need to put money into inventory, shipping, and branding. It's important to inform yourself on the potential costs of starting Amazon FBA so that you can plan your financials accordingly. I highly recommend you watch this video after this one. Moving on to the next expensive mistake of starting Amazon FBA, and that is cheaping out on your product inventory. If you watched my first video on the step-by-step process of starting Amazon FBA, after deciding what product you're going to launch, you are going to find a supplier to manufacture these products, most of the time on Alibaba. I normally first calculate the profitability of a product in an Excel sheet ahead of time using the quotes from Alibaba suppliers. I then would have an acceptable range of manufacturing costs. Although the lower your inventory cost, the more profit you can take out, it's still very important to monitor the quality of your products. The reason is that you will likely sell similar products as your competition, and quality is a big factor that will make you stand out. Plus, customers nowadays nowadays really value reviews on Amazon, and your bad quality products will definitely result in bad reviews, which will negatively impact your sales. Therefore, I highly recommend that within your profitable manufacturing cost, you should also look at the communication, the credibility, the actual product quality of a supplier. If you really want to get serious with Amazon FBA, I also created a free in-depth guide on how to start Amazon FBA step by step. Be sure to click the link in the description box and comment section to snag your free guide. The next common mistake is expecting to make money fast with Amazon FBA. I feel like nowadays everyone wants instant gratification, but long-term success really requires us to be consistent and patient, and that's the case with Amazon FBA as well. So I really want to share with you the honest truth. Even though you might see a lot of people sharing making 10K or 20K months with Amazon FBA, it is possible, but it does require some time to really get there. It does take some time to really even just start paying yourself. Personally, I did not take out profit after almost a year of starting Amazon FBA. The reason is that you will need to initially invest in Amazon's pay-per-click advertising as well as your second inventory when you're starting out. So it's very important to reinvest your profit from your first inventory into your Amazon FBA business, if not putting extra money. However, I do want to remind you the bright side, and that is after you launch your product, there really isn't much to do besides monitoring your PPC campaigns and ordering your next inventory. You don't need to handle any of the complicated stuff such as packing, handling, or shipping the products. The products will basically sell themselves on Amazon because remember, during your product research phase, you already made sure that the product has enough demand. There's already enough people searching for the product on Amazon, and all the proceeds from Amazon will essentially go straight to your bank account while you're relaxing, you're spending time with your family, or on vacation. So expect to work really hard on your Amazon FBA business for at least 6 months before seeing income coming in. The good thing is that Amazon FBA is actually really straightforward. As long as you pick the right product and you do everything else the right way, you will for sure be on your way of having 5K or even 10K sales per month. Now, if you want to learn more about what to look out for when choosing a good Amazon FBA product, I have an entire video here going more in depth on this topic. If you follow some of these tips and feel like you're still missing extra steps, then be sure to click the link in the description box or comment section to download my comprehensive guide on how to start Amazon FBA step by step. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, and I'll see you in next week's video.